Today is the YouTube Fan Fest video in Manila, but I'm here live with my toys here. My famous toys here. Here, I'm in just in front. And then thanks for my other channels of 91 subscribers, but thanks for a lot of you who subscribe me. Well, I'm here with my FJ Cruiser, modified Hot Wheels bus, Honda Odyssey 2008, 2011 Toyota Innova, and the car is Volkswagen GTI. Am I right? Oh, it's correct. Okay, so thanks a lot. Thanks a lot for my 91 subscribers on my other channels. But guys, please hit the like subscribe button on this channel and also that channel. Okay, but thanks for the Manila Fan Fest YouTube channel in Manila. Okay. Okay, so I'm live here right now. Here, look. Modified bus and the Odyssey, Nova, and the GTI and FJ Cruiser. So, okay. Look, see the GTI. Actually, so we have the GTI, and please subscribe.